YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. By the time you guys will see this, it'll be freaking Monday. And I don't know, you guys, I'm kind of nervous because I posted my giveaway the other day and I got a lot of new subscribers. So welcome, you guys. My name is DiVoye. Welcome to my channel. This is kind of like a lifestyle, just vlog, whatever I want to post channel. There's really not a niche here. This is a bunch of really random-ish, okay? Random AF, okay? I can post anything, literally. I just am like that. But welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my nails. The reason why I wanted to do this video is because I don't go to the salon to get my nails done. Even before, like, I hate going to the nail salon. Like, it takes too long. The nail people never let you get what you want. They always like putting their 2 cents in on what you want. You know what I mean? Like, you know, if you've gotten your nails done before and you want a certain color and they're like, no, and then you don't want to argue with them. Just like, oh, and then you just let them do whatever, and it's like, this is not what I wanted. It just takes too long. I just hate sitting in there. I get anxious. So I always use press-on nails or like glue-on nails. These are the ones I'm going to apply today. They're by Kiss Brand. Kiss Brand to me is the best, like, press-on nails, hands down. Like, I love this company. I wish this company would sponsor me. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. But I've been wearing these for years, and I usually get the really short ones. But I've upgraded to the longer ones. So these are long ones. They got like designs on them. They're really, really cute. There's different kinds. Like they range anywhere from price from like $7.99 to I've seen them at $11.99. And this is like the masterpiece collection. So they're very detailed. They're very, very pretty. So that's why these ones were actually $10.99. They were a little bit more. But and another question that I get all the time is like, if they last, go get your nails done. You go every 2 weeks, and these last you about 2 weeks or more. And then if a nail pops off, you can just glue it back on there. You go for another 2 weeks. Like, I just feel like this is so convenient. It's so much better, and I just love press-on nails. So I had a set of press-on nails before. If you've seen a couple videos ago, I was telling you guys that I didn't like the clear because it was like a clear nail. I didn't like the design. I just wanted to try it. And I was trying to get them off because I wanted to change them, and I couldn't even get them off. Like, so whatever glue they use or whatever that comes in here, it works pretty well, just so you know. I'm gonna go ahead and apply these nails. So I've got the nails, obviously. Have fingernail polish remover. I just like to use the fingernail polish remover to take off like the oil and stuff before I glue the nails on, so then the nails last longer. So before you glue on your nails, make sure you wash your hands, wash your fingertips, and my dog's doing something. Donnie! Wash your nails, wash your fingertips. Use some alcohol. You can use rubbing alcohol or fingernail polish remover to like get the oil off so they last a lot longer.
No, I give it up.
Opening the box now. Let me see. Okay. So this is the glue that it comes with. Looks like that, like that, like that. It's a really good glue. I've never had any problems with my nails like popping off all the time. Like I never experienced that. But these are like, oh, these are pretty. They're very lightweight too. They're ombre. And then the accent nail is like a gray marble. The accent nail is like a gray marble with diamonds on it. That's really cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna glue these on. My thing is like finding the right size nail, because you want to find the right size nail, because if you don't, then they'll pop off. Like if you use a nail that's like a little bit too small and it's like bent like this, and you try to glue it on and stretch it out, it's gonna like pop off. They're gonna pop off easy. So I think that's one thing that has been, see, look, this fits perfectly, like from the side to the side. Look at my nail. I feel like that's one thing that has been allowing my nails to last a lot longer, is because I've been paying really attention to what size they are on which nail, because I never used to pay attention to that before. I'm just like, oh, okay, this will do, and then I used to just glue them on. Gosh, this is hard to get off too. Okay. Well, this one is a 2. So I'm just paying attention to the number. Comment below and let me know if you've ever used press-on nails before, and if so, what brand, and if so, do you know any other brands that are like really nice? I've seen a lot of Instagram brands of nails that I've been wanting to try, but every time I go to the website to try to order them, they're sold out. So I'm like, oh, I know these are good. They're always sold out. And there's a couple of places that I've heard of from Facebook too, like just popping up on my Facebook feed. And I'm like, oh, I want to try those, but they're always sold out. And I was actually looking on Amazon. I'm trying to find the same number. Here we go. I was looking on Amazon and I couldn't find anything on Amazon that I couldn't find in the stores. Like I want to look for something different, like a different color, a different style. But the ones on Amazon are the same ones they have in the store. If I want them, I'll just go get them from the store because then I'll get it right away and I don't have to pay shipping.
Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we push it, be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. I see them reverse. Got a bone dick, ride this shit like a Camaro.
Alright, you guys, so we have completed the mission. This is what they look like. I did them a little bit different. So it came with a couple different styles. It came with a matte finish, like a shiny finish. So I'll just see if I can show you the difference. I don't know if it'll show up on camera okay. This one's shiny and this one's matte. And it came with these. That is super cute. So what I did, in this hand I did matte, shiny, diamonds, matte. And then this side I did matte, shiny, diamonds, matte. So it's a little different, but aren't they so cute, y'all? And they're so lightweight. They're not heavy like acrylics, but it feels like they're not gonna come off unless you're doing something really crazy. Like they're not gonna come off. I've even like got a knot out of a shoe with these on, and they didn't come off. And I was doing it on purpose with the other nails because I didn't like the color of them. So I wanted to put these on, and I was like trying to pop them off. I was trying to just do stuff that I would normally do just to pop them off, and it wouldn't come off. I had to just wait till they was ready to fall off. That is it, y'all. This also comes with like a little nail file and a little stick. Like I guess I'm assuming that's for your cuticles. I never use that. I use a nail file sometimes, but these ones, because sometimes they can have like a little stud at the top, like a little piece at the top where you just need to file it. But these ones are okay. But let me know in the comments what you think about these. I have, oh, see, this ring is turning my finger green. I need to take it off. But this is, I have a lot of like meaty rings. So rings that like, let me see if I have some. Middle rings, meaty rings where they just go in the middle like this. I got these from Target. And these were actually on sale. They were usually $10, but I got them on sale for $7 on clearance. And there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 11 rings. But I just think with nails like this, you need to have something cute, like cute middle rings like this. Like, it's just my style, y'all. It's just my style. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Join the DiVoyeINC gang. We're a family over here. Everybody knows everybody. Say something in the comments. Get to know people in the comments because we're literally a family over here. You're new here, you'll know, but we kick it over here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.